Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to get your Wise USD account. In this video, I'll show you how to create your Wise account, complete verification, and access your US dollar bank details. Let's get started. Download the Wise app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and tap Get Started. Tap Register. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Check your email and tap Confirm Email Address. Select Personal Account as the account type. Select the country where you currently reside and tap Continue. Read the information about Wise in your country and tap Continue. Enter a mobile number that can receive SMS messages and confirm it using the code Wise sends you. Create your password and tap Done. Set up your Face ID or passcode. Set your communication preferences and tap Continue. Enter your full name and date of birth exactly as shown on your ID. Then tap Save and Continue. Enter your home address using search or manual entry. Then tap Continue. In some cases, Wise may ask you to confirm your address. If so, follow the on-screen instructions to upload the required document. Select your nationality and employment status, then tap Confirm and Continue. Choose a passport or ID card to verify your identity. Take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Check the quality of both photos, then tap Submit, or retake if needed. Get ready to take a selfie. First, read the tips on how to take a selfie, then tap Continue. Read the information about the use of biometric data and tap Agree and Continue. Take a selfie. Frame your face in the oval and tap I'm ready. Select the primary reason for using Wise and tap Continue. When asked which countries you expect to send or receive money from, select United States and tap Continue. Select how much money you expect to move with Wise in a year and tap Continue. When asked what you would like to do first, select Spend or Receive Money. Review the steps required to open an account and tap Continue. Select any statements that apply to you. If none apply, select None of these apply to me. Set up your first currency and tap Continue. You can add more currencies later. Select your country of tax residence. Choose your tax ID type, enter the number, and tap Confirm Tax Residency. If you skip this step, you'll need to add it later to access your account details. If asked about interest, select Continue without interest. Allow others to find and pay you using your Wise tag, phone number, or email address by selecting Yes, Confirm. When offered a Wise debit card, tap Maybe later to continue faster. Add funds to your Wise account by selecting a currency and tapping Continue. Choose a method to add funds and follow the on-screen steps. If USD is not added, tap New. Then select Add a currency. Choose US dollar. Tap Account Details to view your USD account details. Tap Continue to get your account details from Wise. Tap Continue to confirm a few more details. Confirm whether you have an SSN or ITIN. You can continue even if you do not have one. If you selected that you are not a US citizen, tap Continue to proceed. Tap Account Details under the USD currency. Provide the bank name, routing number, and account number to RT Tax to receive your refund. That's it. Your Wise USD account is now ready to use.